Hello there, welcome to Ghost Academy. I have made a login panel using Python. Today I'm going to explain my code. Create file function is to check if login detail file exists and if not create a txt file to store login details. Login function is to check if entered username and password matches to the stored username and password. If does not match, it shows an error message. Sign up function checks if username already exists and if not, stores entered credentials in logindetail.txt file. To check username, sign up function calls username unique function. Validate username functions is called from sign up function to check whether username is in correct format. And validate password also called to check if password doesn't contain all spaces. Clear login and clear sign up functions are used to clear all text fields in each tab. Logged in page function is used to welcome the user when successfully logged in. Show login, show sign up are used to select relevant tab to log in or sign up, and log out is to log out from the account. Show a pass function is for the AI button. It's used to show hide password field. Here we define our tabs and tab titles are hidden. Next, canvas is relevant to each tab and there's text labels created in here. And here widgets for each tab created in here. Last, there's create file function is called and the main loop. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.